Pakistani President Arif Alvi said the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a unique form of cooperation, based on friendship between both sides and ensuring economic prosperity.
I think the CPEC is a unique form of cooperation. And this CPEC, compared to the past in the world where all cooperation of monetary cooperation and financial cooperation used to have strings, this cooperation is based on friendship between people and ensuring economic prosperity of the people. The initial projects were energy based because Pakistan had a serious shortage of energy. The initial projects were energy based. Subsequently, we are going into bigger cooperation in a number of areas, which includes agriculture, which includes health, which includes poverty alleviation, in which China has made tremendous progress. China is a lesson for the rest of the world to take out people out of poverty and the way it can be done. So I think CPEC has had a tremendous impact on the economy of Pakistan.